Claude Chatbots, integrating with external APIs explained. In this video, you'll learn how to connect Claude-powered chatbots with external APIs, enabling them to perform complex tasks using real-time data. Welcome to our video on integrating Claude-powered chatbots with external APIs. Did you know that integrating APIs can transform your chatbot from a simple question-answer machine into a dynamic, real-time problem solver? Stick around to learn how API integration can enhance your bot's functionality and make it an indispensable tool for users. Before diving into integration, it's crucial to understand what an API is. API stands for Application Programming Interface. Essentially, it's a set of rules that allows different software applications to communicate with one another. Imagine APIs as bridges that connect your chatbot to external data and functionalities. There are various types of APIs, but the most common ones are REST, Representational State Transfer, and SOAP, Simple Object Access Protocol. Each has its unique characteristics and use cases. REST is often favored for its simplicity and efficiency, while SOAP is known for its robustness. Understanding these basics will help you choose the right API for your chatbot needs.
Selecting the right API is a pivotal step in ensuring your chatbot's success. Start by identifying the core functionalities your chatbot needs. Are you looking for real-time weather updates, language translation, or perhaps stock market data? Once you know what you need, research available APIs within that domain. Look for APIs with comprehensive documentation and active support communities, as these can be invaluable resources. Additionally, consider the scalability of the API. Will it handle increased loads if your chatbot becomes popular? Reliability is another key factor. An unreliable API can affect your chatbot's performance. Lastly, evaluate the cost structure to ensure it aligns with your budget. When integrating APIs, security is paramount, and authentication is the first line of defense. Authentication ensures that only authorized users and applications can access the API. The most common methods include API keys, OAuth, and JWT, JSON Web Tokens. API keys are straightforward and easy to implement. They're essentially unique identifiers that grant access to the API. However, for enhanced security, OAuth is often recommended. It provides token-based authentication, allowing users to grant applications access without sharing their passwords. JWTs are another popular method due to their lightweight nature, making them ideal for mobile applications. Understanding these methods will help you secure your chatbot's API integrations effectively. Once your chatbot retrieves data from an API, it's essential to parse this data into a format that it can use. APIs typically return data in JSON, JavaScript Object Notation, or XML, extensible markup language, formats. JSON is preferred for its simplicity and ease of parsing, making it a popular choice among developers. XML, while more verbose, offers robustness and is widely used in enterprise solutions. To parse this data, developers often employ libraries like JSON.parse in JavaScript or the XML.etree.elementtree module in Python. These tools automate the conversion process, allowing your chatbot to deliver accurate and timely information to users.
In any integration, error handling is crucial to maintaining a seamless user experience. Common API errors include timeouts, incorrect data formats, and authentication failures. To manage these, implement retry and backoff strategies that allow your chatbot to attempt reconnections after a failure. Additionally, providing clear and user-friendly error messages can greatly enhance user experience, guiding them on how to proceed. Logging errors is also vital. It helps developers identify recurring issues and improve the system over time. By employing these strategies, you can ensure your chatbot remains robust and user-friendly even when unexpected errors occur. One of the advantages of using Claude is its built-in support for API integration. Claude offers native support for a variety of popular APIs, making the integration process more straightforward. With Claude's tools, developers can easily streamline authentication processes and utilize pre-built functions to interact with APIs. Additionally, Claude provides extensive developer resources, including documentation and community forums, to assist you in overcoming any integration challenges. By leveraging Claude's integration support, you can enhance your chatbot's capabilities and provide users with a more powerful and versatile tool. Testing is a critical step in ensuring that your API connections are functioning correctly. Tools like Postman and Insomnia allow you to test API endpoints and verify that everything is working as expected. During testing, pay close attention to response codes and data accuracy to ensure that your chatbot can handle different scenarios. It's also beneficial to simulate various user interactions to see how your chatbot responds in real-world conditions. For ongoing assurance, consider automating these tests as part of your continuous integration pipeline, enabling you to catch issues early and maintain a high-quality user experience.
Now, let's explore some real-world examples of API integrations that can greatly enhance your Claude Chatbot. For instance, integrating a weather data API allows your chatbot to provide real-time updates and forecasts to users. Language translation APIs can enable your chatbot to support multiple languages, broadening its reach and accessibility. In the financial sector, stock market APIs allow chatbots to deliver up-to-date financial information and trends. Social media APIs can be used to connect your chatbot with platforms like Twitter or Facebook, increasing user engagement. Lastly, e-commerce APIs can help your chatbot offer personalized product recommendations based on user preferences. These examples demonstrate the vast potential of API integrations in expanding your chatbot's functionality.
As we conclude, remember that integrating your Claude chatbot with external APIs is a powerful way to expand its capabilities and provide users with valuable insights and services. We've explored various aspects of integration, from understanding API basics to real-world application examples. Continue exploring more APIs to keep your chatbot relevant and effective. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Your engagement helps us create content that serves your needs best.